I got 258 over 270 in my A-level chemistry exam, and this is how I beat the examiner.
Okay, first things first, we need to figure out what our central atoms are. So, looking at these ones, let's do this one. That's a central atom, we found it here. And this is another central atom, we found it here. Cool. I know that oxygen in its outer shell has 6 electrons. So if it's got one in the bonding here, one in the bonding here, then it must have 2 lone pairs. So we can say, and guys, this is just memory, yeah? You need to know 104.5 degrees. And we're going to say 2 bonding pairs. We're going to say 2 lone pairs. And something really important to say is that lone repels more than bonding. Cool. Now let's focus on the nitrogen. I know nitrogen has 5 inside the shell. So if it's got 1 in the bond here, it's going to have 2 in here because it's a double bond. And because it's a dative, it donates both in a shared pair. So it's going to have both there. Cool. That tells me that there's 1, 2, 3 bonding regions. So this is 120 degrees. And you'll say 3 bonding regions. And if you want to add, you can set it all repel equally. Let's get the balanced equation to move on to the dot and cross. So, nitrogen has 5 in its outer shell, right? Oxygen has 6. Let's look at here. We've got a single bond for this guy up here. We've got a double bond for this one here. And we've got a dative bond for this one if we do nitrogen dots. Cool. Now, in terms of adding for the oxygen, we need to know oxygen has 6 in its outer shell. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fine. We can have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for this one, we've got 1, 2, remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then, how are we going to get enough electrons? Yeah. So that's the sixth one. And then just remember, we're going to gain an electron because it's a minus ion. So we've gained the electron there to fully fill out the outer shell.